Perfect cup of tea, white. Common varieties, silver needle, white peony, eyebrow, Ceylon white, African white, Darjeeling white. Caffeine, 30 to 40 milligrams. Ideal brewing temperature, 150 to 160 degrees, tiny bubbles. Steep time, 4 to 6 minutes. Green tea. Common varieties, sencha, tencha, gyokuro, sincha, kuchich, bancha. Caffeine, 40 to 80 milligrams. Ideal brewing temperature, 150 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, tiny bubbles. Steep time, 2 to 4 minutes. Oolong, common varieties, Iron Buddha, aka Chinese oolong, Da Hong Pao, Taiwan oolong, aka High Mountain oolong. Caffeine, 50 to 75 milligrams. Ideal brewing temperature, 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, medium-sized bubbles. Steep time, 5 to 7 minutes. Black, common varieties, English breakfast, Darjeeling, Ceylon, Earl Grey, Assam. Caffeine, 60 to 90 milligrams. Ideal brewing temperature, 180 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, large bubbles. Steep time, 4 to 6 minutes. Herbal, common varieties, chamomile, peppermint, rosehip, rooibos, lemon balm, hibiscus, dandelion, lemongrass. Caffeine. Most varieties are caffeine-free, except a few caffeine-containing herbs like kola nut, guarana, yerba mate, etc. Ideal brewing temperature varies depending on herbs used. Steep time varies depending on herbs used. Learn more at blog.bulletproof.com and subscribe to Bulletproof on YouTube today.